Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to install VMware Tools in Linux VM. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Installing VMware Tools in a Linux VM improves performance and enables features like shared folders and seamless mouse integration. Here's how you can do it. Install OpenVM Tools. Recommended. Most modern Linux distributions support OpenVM Tools, an open-source alternative to VMware Tools. Go to VM, then install VMware Tools. If the option is grayed out, it means VMware Tools or OpenVM Tools is already installed. Debian-based distributions, run the following command. Red Hat-based distributions, use yum or dnf depending on your version. Arch-based distributions, install VMware Tools using pacman. Enable the service. OpenSUSE-based distributions, install using Zyper. For GUI-based VMs, install OpenVM Tools Desktop. Debian-based distributions. Red Hat-based distributions. Arch-based distributions. OpenSUSE-based distributions. Reboot your VM. Install VMware Tools manually. If you prefer the official VMware Tools package, insert the VMware Tools CD image in VMware Workstation. Go to VM, then install VMware Tools. If the option says Update VMware Tools or is grayed out, it means VMware Tools or OpenVM Tools is already installed. Mount the CD image. Create the destination folder if it doesn't exist. Copy the installation package to Documents, VMware. Extract the package. Navigate to the extracted folder. Run the installer. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Restart the VM. After installation, your VM should have better integration with VMware, including improved graphics, shared clipboard functionality, and folder sharing. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.